Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? Today is January the 26th, 2021. I am the work at home job queen. For those of you who don't know, make sure you come over to the blog and sign up to the email newsletter. All you do is click the link in the description box down below, type in your email where it says your email, and click send me new leads. Okay, you're going to have to verify that you're not a robot when you do these things, okay? Also, make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge over here on Facebook. All you have to do is make sure that you answer the 3 questions when prompted. Make sure your account is not new, and make sure that you have a photo, okay? Those are the only 3 requirements. I'm not going to keep you guys long on today, hopefully, but you guys know that I am long-winded, okay? But I definitely want you guys to go and check out this position right here. StarTech is looking for chat customer service representatives. Okay, somebody just sent me this again and said they are hiring. I'm not sure how many people, but they're looking for chat customer service representatives. I think the pay is either $10 to $11 an hour, something like that. But from my understanding, from what a current employee told me, that they have an opportunity for as much overtime as you want. And this is chat, you guys. Now, it does say Farmington, Missouri, but you do not have to live there, okay? You do not have to live there. You can live anywhere. If you live in Farmington, they will provide you with your with a computer. However, if you live outside of that area, you have to provide your own equipment, okay? And this is 100% chat, all right? Chat customer service. Also, you guys, there are still openings. I'm sorry, and that is for StarTech. Remember, every link and the names of the companies that I'm going to be mentioning, they're all going to be in the description box down below. So make sure you're checking that description box, you guys. Okay. Next up is going to be Navient. Navient is still looking for COVID-19 vaccination call center representatives. Now, from my understanding, you do not have to live in the states that are listed. They're currently hiring people to do this in North Carolina, and they're hiring people to do it in Tennessee. And they also need a supervisor as well. But they're looking for call center representatives. The pay for this one is $16 per hour, you guys. This is amazing pay for very, very easy work. There are tons of people who are currently in the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. Make sure you come and join, that currently do this COVID vaccination call center thing. And they said it's some of the easiest work they've ever done. You're literally just answering the phones for people who are calling in for information about the vaccine and people who want to schedule an appointment to get the vaccine, okay? So if you speak Spanish, you'll make $17. If you're just an English speaker, it's $16, which is amazing pay, okay? They do have full-time schedules Monday through Thursday from 7:45 a.m. until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or you can work Monday through Thursday from 10:30 a.m. until 8 p.m., okay? Those are the full-time hours. Also, you can do part-time Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7:45 a.m. until 5:15 p.m. Or you can do Friday, Saturday, Sunday from 10:30 a.m. until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? So run and check out this, you guys. This is for Navient, okay? Link on the blog in the description box down below. Do not wait and apply to these positions. Apply now. These are projected to be 6-month projects. These COVID vaccination projects. However, with the way things are going, it's probably going to be extended. So you're looking at 6 months to a year doing this. Really, really easy work, okay? Also, make sure you guys come and check out Walgreens. They're looking for call center specialists to work from home, okay? Now, you do not have to live in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. You can live anywhere. The pay for this position is $11 an hour. It is full-time, okay? And, of course, you'll be taking calls from Walgreens customers, employees, physician offices, third-party vendors, etc., okay? Also, Assurant is looking for customer service specialists to work from home as well. For those of you who don't know what Assurant is, they actually provide insurance. I actually had Assurant for my renter's insurance when I was actually renting my apartment. Before I bought my home, I had my renter's insurance through Assurant, okay? So they're looking for customer service specialists to work from home. So definitely check out this one as well. This is an awesome opportunity for those of you guys who are really trying to get your foot in the door with working from home, okay? And also for those of you guys who are looking for like virtual receptionist positions, Mia Answers is looking for virtual receptionists to work from home. And of course, you'll be assisting callers with the questions, booking appointments, and doing basic receptionist duties. And also, same thing with Fancy Hands. Fancy Hands is always hiring people, you guys. I'm always going to recommend people to check out Fancy Hands because Fancy Hands was my very first work at home job. And I absolutely, you guys, it literally changed my life. Okay. It's the reason why I'm working home today. Okay. So, definitely check out Fancy Hands and Mia Answers if you're looking for an opportunity where you guys can, kind of work for yourselves and decide when you want to work and when you don't want to work, okay? And also, there are tons of other companies that are hiring. For example, VIP Desk Connect, they're looking for customer service reps. That's under today's date. Now, the position that I was telling you about StarTech, that's under yesterday's date, which was January the 25th. That's why I told you guys, do not just stay under today's date, okay? Go over here and scroll, and if the link still works, they're still hiring. Also, NextRep. They have several different campaigns that they're currently hiring for. So check out NextRep. This is an amazing opportunity for those of you that are looking to schedule your own hours, okay? Also, the Hartford, if you live in one of the states listed, they're looking for call center reps. This is a great opportunity as well. CVS is looking for specialists to work from home. It's just so many people that are hiring, you guys. And also, you guys, Amazon is still looking for those HR contact center associates to work from home, you guys. They're hiring out of almost all states. So definitely check out this position. There are a lot of people who are, out on leave and different things like that right now with everything that is going on. So they need some help with this contact center associate position, okay? So remember, check out these positions. I mentioned to you guys StarTech. I mentioned Navigant, Fancy Hands, Mia Answers, Walgreens, Assurant, Amazon, and also NextRep, okay? And also VIP Desk Connect. And again, there are tons of others over here. Just make sure you come over here and scroll and apply to whatever seems interesting to you. Make sure you sign up to this email newsletter, okay? As soon as I update this blog, literally within 5 minutes that I update this, I send out this mass email to everybody who's on that email list, and they're able to apply to these positions as soon as they get them. Because sometimes if you wait until I make a video or if you wait until I post it in the group, you're going to miss out because there are a lot of people who are, applying to these positions. So if you're one of the first people to get it, you're going to be one of the first people to apply before they remove the listing, okay? So sign up to the email newsletter. I'm not telling you this just to tell you this. I'm telling you this to help you. And also make sure you come over here and join this lounge so you're, be able to interact with other people who are also working from home, people who are potentially your future coworkers or your current coworkers. And, you guys can mingle together and different things like that. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.